If you've been waiting for the next big thing in DJI's Mini lineup, there's one name you've probably seen everywhere lately, DJI Mini 6 Pro, but there's a problem. The internet is already filled with supposed specifications, release dates, and even images of the drone, and a lot of those claims simply aren't backed by reliable evidence. So today on Tap Tech, we're separating the exciting possibilities from the information we can actually trust. And stay until the end, because the biggest question about the Mini 6 Pro might not be its camera, battery, or obstacle avoidance. It could be whether DJI can even bring this drone to the US market. First, let's make one thing absolutely clear. As of August 2026, DJI has not officially announced the Mini 6 Pro. There is no confirmed DJI product page, official specification sheet, launch date, or official US pricing for a Mini 6 Pro. That means any video claiming that the drone is already confirmed with a specific sensor, battery, price, or release date should be treated very carefully, and that actually makes the story more interesting. DJI's recent Mini 5 Pro already pushed the compact drone category much further, so the Mini 6 Pro would have a difficult job. It wouldn't simply need to be smaller or faster. It would need to offer a meaningful upgrade while dealing with weight, heat, battery limitations, camera size, and increasingly complicated regulations. One of the most frequently repeated rumors is a much larger camera sensor, with some online speculation pointing toward a 1-inch class sensor. On paper, that sounds incredible for a mini-series drone. A larger sensor could potentially deliver better low-light performance, improved dynamic range, and cleaner footage during sunrise, sunset, or nighttime city shots. But here's the important part. There is currently no credible confirmation that DJI has actually developed a 1-inch Mini 6 Pro camera. The same applies to claims about 6K or 8K recording. Higher resolution sounds impressive in a thumbnail, but resolution alone doesn't guarantee better aerial footage. DJI would have to balance processing power, heat, storage, bitrate, battery consumption, and the drone's physical size. So if you see a leak claiming an 8K Mini 6 Pro with every other upgrade imaginable, don't automatically assume it's real. Another feature people desperately want is improved obstacle avoidance. DJI has already made obstacle sensing a major part of its higher-end consumer drones, and future Mini models could continue that trend. Better sensing could make tracking, return-to-home behavior, and low-altitude flying more confident. But once again, there is no official confirmation that the Mini 6 Pro will have a particular 360-degree sensing system. And then there's transmission. DJI's newer systems have focused heavily on reliable high-definition video transmission, which is especially important for creators flying in busy environments. A future Mini could potentially benefit from whatever next-generation transmission technology DJI decides to put into its consumer lineup. But claims that the Mini 6 Pro is definitely getting a specific transmission system should currently be treated as speculation unless DJI confirms. Its battery life is another area where expectations need to stay realistic. You may have seen numbers like 45 or even 50 minutes attached to Mini 6 Pro rumors. Those figures sound amazing, but flight time depends heavily on battery capacity, weight, weather, flying conditions, and the exact battery configuration. DJI also has to deal with the famous sub 250 gram category. Keeping a drone under that threshold while adding a larger camera, more sensors, stronger processing, and a bigger battery is a serious engineering challenge. And this is where the Mini 6 Pro becomes particularly interesting. The biggest challenge may not actually be engineering. It may be regulation. For US viewers, the DJI situation has become much more complicated. The FCC has been considering additional restrictions affecting certain foreign-made drones and technologies. And recent proposals could have implications for models with features such as LiDAR and thermal imaging. These developments are important because DJI's future product launches in the United States face a very different environment from previous generations. So even if DJI develops an amazing Mini 6 Pro, a US launch cannot simply be assumed. That doesn't mean the Mini 6 Pro is impossible. It means we need to separate the hardware question from the market question. For creators in Europe, Canada, Australia, the UK, and other international markets, the situation can be different depending on local regulations and certification. But until DJI officially announces the product, We shouldn't present a specific global release date as fact, and there's another reason not to expect an immediate launch. DJI's current lineup is evolving rapidly. The company has introduced multiple products across drones, handheld cameras, and other categories during 2026, while continuing to navigate regulatory pressure. That makes the timing of a completely new mini generation difficult to predict, so what could DJI realistically improve if the Mini 6 Pro eventually arrives? I'd expect the most valuable upgrades to focus on image quality, intelligent flight features, transmission reliability, obstacle sensing, and efficiency rather than simply chasing enormous resolution numbers. Imagine a compact drone that can capture cleaner footage in difficult lighting, track subjects more reliably, maintain a strong connection in challenging environments, and still remain extremely portable. That would be a much more meaningful upgrade than simply putting an 8K label on the box. And if DJI manages to improve camera quality without sacrificing the Mini's portability, that could make the Mini 6 Pro extremely attractive to travel filmmakers, real estate creators, vloggers, photographers, and anyone who wants serious aerial footage without carrying a much larger drone. There is also one upgrade that could quietly matter more than almost anything else: smarter software. DJI could improve automated flight paths, subject tracking, panorama capture, quick shots, and intelligent return-to-home behavior. These features may not sound as dramatic as a new camera sensor, but they can make a real difference when you're flying quickly, traveling, or capturing footage without a dedicated drone pilot. That could ultimately make the Mini 6 Pro feel genuinely next generation. But here's the question I think matters most: should you wait for the Mini 6 Pro? If you need a drone right now, waiting for an unannounced product based entirely on rumors probably doesn't make sense. There are already established DJI models available in different markets, and you should choose based on what is officially supported where you live. But if you're specifically looking for the next generation of DJI's compact drone technology, keeping an eye on the Mini 6 Pro makes sense. Just don't buy into every leak. At the moment, the most honest prediction is that the Mini 6 Pro remains an unconfirmed product. The exciting specifications circulating online, including huge sensors, 8K video, extreme flight times, and revolutionary obstacle avoidance, should be treated as rumors rather than confirmed specifications. And honestly, that makes the eventual announcement even more exciting, because when DJI finally reveals what comes next, we'll immediately know which rumors were surprisingly accurate, which ones were completely wrong, and whether DJI has found a way to push the Mini concept further without sacrificing the things that made the series so popular. This is Tap Tech, and if you want the latest confirmed information on DJI's next generation of drones without the exaggerated rumors, make sure you stay tuned. The moment DJI gives us something official, we'll break it down and show you exactly what has changed, and whether it's actually worth upgrading.